may have.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Mr. Comey, the Department of Justice has recently confirmed that the Office of Inspector General and the Office of Professional Responsibility are investigating whether partisan political tests were applied to the hiring of Assistant United States Attorneys in offices that were headed by interim or acting United States attorneys. What impact do you believe this, if in fact there was partisan political tests that were applied in the hiring of those U.S. attorneys, what impact do you believe that would have on career professionals in the department, on the fair and impartial administration of our federal criminal justice system, and what impact would it have on the public's confidence in federal criminal prosecutions, particularly in the area of political corruption?
That is the most, in my view, the most serious thing that I've heard come up in this entire controversy. If that was going on, that strikes at the core of what the Department of Justice is. You just cannot do that. You can't hire assistant U.S. attorneys based on political affiliation, again, because it deprives the department of its lifeblood, which is the ability to stand up and have juries of all stripes believe what you say, and have sheriffs and judges and jailers and the people we deal with trust the Department of Justice. That concerns me a great deal. I hope that didn't happen. I hope the investigation turns out that it didn't happen, but that is a very serious thing. U.S. attorneys are political appointees. As the chairman said, they can be terminated for any reason, and I understood that as a political appointee. But these AUSAs, they are the ones on whom the whole system rests, and we just cannot have that kind of political test.
Well, let me ask you, if it's established that assistant United States attorneys over the last few years have been hired on a partisan political basis, what remedies do you think should be implemented to eliminate or minimize the adverse impact of those improperly based hirings?
I don't have a suggestion at this point. I don't. It's very troubling. I don't know how you would put that genie back in the bottle if people started to believe we were hiring AUSAs for political reasons. I don't know if there's any window you can go to get the department's reputation back if that kind of stuff is going on.
Has any U.S. attorney